Russian tuner TopCar has set out to build a McLaren 720S body kit that will more or less look like something McLaren themselves would have made. They were adamant about this issue earlier this month when they posted a few renderings on social media, saying that their goal was to make the most aggressive-looking kit possible without spoiling the car's factory aesthetics in a negative way. They show exactly how the prototype, which will see the light of day in the very near future, or more accurately before the end of 2019. So what can we expect from the 720S Fury once it's ready to hit the road? For starters, if the tuner's Porsche 911 Stinger program is anything to go by, additional power is not out of the question. The 720S is hardly in need of more power, but if it does end up getting it, let's just say you'll probably have a hard time running into something capable of taking you down. In stock form, the 720S 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 is good for 710 horsepower, 720 PS, 530 kilowatts, and 568 pounds-to-foot, 770 Newton-meters, of torque. In a straight line, it can hit 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, in just 2.9 seconds, before maxing out at 212 miles per hour, 341 kilometers per hour. Like we said, then, no need for more power. But no one ever said no to such a proposition.